Good morning, fellow traders. Bob here. It's time for the Good Morning Market Prep for Friday, October the 1st, 2021. I hope everybody had a great night last night. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's try to see where we left out the market yesterday. So SPX, guys, with a bearish engulfing month heading into the month of October. So pretty interesting stuff, right? I mean, there's almost a 70% chance probability follow through the downside. Now, how much follow through we get, we'll see. We've seen bearish engulfing months before. We'll just kind of have to go from there, but we really haven't seen it with this type of slope of price action. So we'll see how things go going into today. We'll kind of take it easy a little bit. It's possible that some institutions were doing some window dressing yesterday, just kind of dumping some things off the books, and now we're going to see if they decide to buy it back today, just to start loading up, right? Put some fresh flow. You got to do something with that money, right? So inside week here so far, so we'll see how that happens. In daily chart, nice breakdown below the cloud right here, but a lot of times, and this is something that we were, in fact, this is part of a theory I was putting out there on a different chart, and it ended up playing out fantastically. But guys, this is a measured move down, right? So this is your doji sandwich down essentially. So a lot of times this is just a 3-candle pattern, and then we actually see a rally off of this. So that's another thing to kind of look at. It doesn't mean we're still not in a downtrend. I'm just saying, it's possible that they could try to work its way back up and try to get back up to the 80 MA. I'm just saying, it's possible. So, but there is a chance for room to the downside. We need to see. We had a lot of economic numbers coming out, including inflation data. But if we do gap down here today, it could imply that we're in a wave 3 of 5, right? A subwave 3 of 5. So we'll see how that goes here. But it is possible that this wave is down right here. Keep in mind, guys, we actually landed right at support there. So we'll see how that goes too. Anyway, let's just keep an eye on the economic data and see how it goes today. I'm not necessarily being bullish. I'm just being cautious going in today. So when you have a big, nice, fun day like that off of that measured move, right, you want to keep your money, preserve your money, right, and not force trades, because that can happen a lot. People can say every day is going to be like one of these really big, big candle days, right? So just kind of take it easy a little bit. SPY here, basically just kind of rallying a little, bouncing a little bit right here. Possible inverse head and shoulders going into the opens. We'll see how that goes. Again, most of these names are below. Sorry, we go to Qs right. Let me go to the S&P futures right here. Most of these names are below their some geometric lines, and those might be actual targets. So we really need to get any sort of excitement for the bulls, right? They need to get, for instance, on the future right here, we need to get above this geometric line and hold, right, to really get going here today. So we'll see how that goes. MES, obviously the same thing. Let's take a look at the Qs. Qs have, had a triangle breakdown yesterday, but still that upper triangle stretches out. So we'll see if the Qs can try to get above there today. If they can and they hold, right, that could be bullish. IWM, same thing, geometric line above. XLF, pretty cool stuff, guys. This is, really great follow through from this the channel breakdown here. This nice channel breakdown. It's really gotten some great follow through down here. Kind of gapping down, get a little follow through here this morning too. The VIX, the big thing with the VIX, right, is this kind of this 25 level, right? It's having trouble getting above it. So it doesn't mean that it's not lingering above the support zone right here, but just kind of keep an eye on it, see if it goes. Again, a spike above that 25 and holding could imply more downside action for the market itself. Apple, let's take a look and see how it's doing here this morning. Apple with a little bit of a rally here so far, so let's see if that gets any follow through here too. Tesla, guys, we talked about this last night, so again, double inside day yesterday, so let's see if we get any action on Tesla today. Again, Tesla's usually pretty wild on a Friday and oftentimes is prone to big moves. Okay, guys, this is hilarious. At about 45,000 this morning when I was working on the bubble report earlier, I was going to tweet. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to get more in-depth video coverage on the stocks or setups that are on our radar, be sure to join our group or subscribe to the Bubble Report for more morning analysis. The Bubble Report includes S&P 500 review, also a market profile game plan on the S&P futures, sector updates, gappers, orbs, unusual option activity, economic calendar, and we also have Elliott wave counts that are on our radar made by Algo 382. Be sure to click the link at the end of this video to subscribe today.